Ayan. So again, good evening. Let us start our last topic for this subject. This is steel connections using LRFD. So lahat ng mga na-tackle natin last time, that was ASD or allowable strength design. So ibig sabihin ng allowable strength design, yung allowable strength equals the actual strength. Ini-equate natin yung dalawa, di ba? In getting our required force P or yung ano pa yung mga hinahanap natin. In this topic, ito yung tinatawag natin na load and resistance factor design. Ibig sabihin, yung design load natin is minumultiply natin ng, kumbaga, factor of safety. So, PN is our design load. PU is our ultimate load or factor load. Yan siya. So, makikita ninyo and mapapansin din ninyo sa isang problem kapag LRFD siya, palaging may mga fee na binibigay. So kumbaga, allowable actual, mag-base lang tayo sa fee. So, same process pero may fee lang siya. Yan. So, proceed tayo. First, we have two topics for this one, LRFD. Bolted steel connections, then we have welded steel connections. So, start po tayo kay bolted steel connections. So, we have two angles, A36, which is 100 by 100 by 9.5 millimeters. Yung thickness ng ating angle bar is in tension. So, naka-pull, no? Naka-tension yung force P natin. It's connected to a gusset plate nasa gitna. As you can see in our cross-section with 22 mm diameter bolts in 25 mm diameter holes. As shown in the figure. Again, ito yung gusset plate, ito yung ating angle bar. So that's the service dead load is 135 kilonewton. Use 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. So parang sa RC, di ba? Meron tayong parang factor of safety, 1.2, 1.6. So, number one, determine the value of service live load P based on tensile yielding in the gross area of the angle. This phi is equivalent to 0.9. Number two, determine the value of service live load P based on tensile fracture of the net area of the angle, 0.75. So, assume the effective net area is 85% of the net area. So, number three, determine the value of service live load P based on bolt shear if nominal shear of the bolt is 331.2 MPa. Use phi is equivalent to 0.75. So, number four, determine the value of service live load P based on the different failures mentioned above. So, again, first one is tensile yielding sa gross area. Alam na natin dito, pabalik-balik. Second is sa net area. Third one is sa bolt shear. Umaga, parang bumalik lang tayo sa first topic sa finals, pero LRFD na yung gamit na code. So, start tayo. Again, yung clue dito is just force over area. Then, yung result, multiply lang natin sa phi. Yan lang yung magkaiba sa kanila. So, gagawin natin, again, number one is based on gross area. Dito yung ating pattern ng pag-fail. Number two is net area. Ito yung pattern ng pag-fail natin. Number three is yung shear or yung bolt yung mag-shear. So, dyan. So, ayan siya. Number three. So, proceed tayo. Fy is 248 if it is not given. Fu is also not given. So, that is 400 MPa. Tapos meron tayong load factor, no? Dead load tsaka live load, 1.2. Dead load, 1.6 live load. Diba? Alam din natin to na load factor sa ating RC. Okay, start tayo. So, PU equals PN based sa ating binigay, sa ating problem. Gross is 0.9, net is 0.75, bolt shear is 0.75. Start. Same pa din yung process, pero yung last part lang yung magkaiba. So, first thing is gross area. Kailangan natin yung Gross area. So, hindi binigay yung area. Yung binigay is yung measurements, 100 by 100 by 9.5, di ba? So, same. Saan yun? Diba? As you can see na figure, parang nakatilt siya, pero ano na lang daw natin siya, assume natin siya na naka-box type. Diba? So, this is 100. Diba? Ito yung 100. Ito yung 100. Then, ang thickness nila is 9.5. Yan. Tsaka ito, 9.5. So, therefore, 100 times 9.5, ito na part. Diba? Shade natin. Then, so therefore, dito na part, tanggalan natin ng 9.5, si 100. Ito yung 100, di ba? So, ito yung 9.5. So, ito yung natira. Si 100 minus 9.5 times 9.5. Times 2 kasi dalawa. So, paki-calculator class, what is our area gross? Yan, everyone, where's your calculator para matapos tayo kaagad? Yes, that's correct. 3619.5 millimeters squared. Proceed tayo. Next is input na natin. Literal. So, PN po natin, yan yung hinahanap. PN is Fy times Ag. So, PU is equivalent to VPN. No? Yan yung ating LRFD na formula. So, therefore, PN is FyAg. So, ang PU is Vy8. Parang sinubstitute lang. Lagay natin. V sa gross area is 0.9. Fy natin is 248. And then area gross is 3619. So nakukuha na natin si ultimate na force. What is our PU? So that is 807, gawin natin kilonewton, 807.872 kilonewton. So take note class, yung 807 dito is ultimate. Magkahalo pa si dead load tsaka si live load, di ba? May binigay na dead load kanina, ang hinahanap po is yung ultimate na live load. So ang gagawin natin, yan yung formula. 1.2 dead load, 1.6 live load is equivalent to our PU. Again, let me change that, no? Yung hinahanap is yung PLL na hindi ultimate. Service. Kasi pag ultimate, ibig sabihin na multiply na sa kanyang multiplier. So, lagay natin 1.2 times 135, binigay po yan. 1.6 times PLL. PU po natin is 807.872. So, what is our service live load na allowable? Ganyan siya. Medyo same lang yung concept. Yung magkaiba lang is may multiplier, may dead load, may live load. That is our LRFD. So that is 403.670. That is our final answer. Okay, next. Same process pa din, pero yung gagamitin natin is yung net area. Ibig sabihin po, dadaan tayo sa ating bolt. So, net area is just area gross times area sa whole. That is 3619. Ilang hole yung dadaanan natin? Dalawa. No? Dalawa sa side na to, dalawa sa kabila. So, times 4. Pwede ding 2 times 2, no? 2 bolts, 2 sections. Dalawang angle bar. So, ikaw bahala. Basta makuha mo sa AN. Paki-calculator po, what is our area net? Yes, I need 2 or more students para ma-confirm yung sagot. Ayan, 2669.5 millimeters squared. So, yung process kanina, literal, same lang. No? Take note. Na-lesson natin to last time. Kapag yung section natin is hindi no, may mga tawag dyan. Hindi lang siya one-sided lang. No? Naka-angle siya. We need to multiply 0.85. Diba? I hope that you could remember that. So, yung AN, hindi pa siya sapat. Dapat multiply natin sa 0.85. So, si 2669.5 times 0.85, what is our AE? Effective net area. Ayan, 2269.075. Pwedeng humabol So, input natin. Imbes na PN over AG, gawin nating PN over AE. Pag gross is FY yung gamit, pag net is FU yung gamit. So, PN, FU, AE, PU equals PN. So, PU is phi, FU, AE. Input natin, phi kapag area net is 0.75, binigay po kanina. FU yung gagamitin, 400. Then, AE is 2269. What is our ultimate load? PU. Ilan? That is, yan, 680.722, round up, 723 kilonewton. Pero yung hinahanap natin is yung service live load. So, gamitan natin ng 1.2 dead load, 1.6 live load equals ultimate. So, input natin, binigay 1.2 times 135, 1.6 times PLL, P. So, what is our PLL? That is 324, yes, that's correct, 0.202 kilonewton. Final answer. Okay, proceed tayo, number 3. Yung sa number 3 is shear stress coming from our bolt. So, area ng bolt, di ba, alam natin is 0.25 pi d squared, number of bolts, number of sections. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts, then nakapalaman siya, kumbaga. Di ba? So, times 2 po tayo. So, Fn is equivalent to Pn over AV. Pn is equivalent to Fn times AV. Pu is phi Pn. Substitute mo lang phi Fn AV. Lagay natin. Phi Fn. Area ng bolt natin is 0.25 pi d squared NBNB. So, paki-prepare ng calculator. 0.75. Binigay yan Based on bolt shear, ang phi is 0.75. Fn is 331.2. Binigay din. 0.25 pi. Diameter ng ating bolt is 22. 8 bolts times 2 sections. So, what is our PU? Ayan. 1,510 kapag naka-kilonewton. 0.799. Very good. So, last part. Again, yung hinahanap is service live load. So, 1.2 PDL plus 1.6 PLL equals PU. So, 1.2 times 135 plus 1.6 times PLL equals PU. Ganyan. Ayan. So, paki-shift solve po. What is our service live load for this section? So that is 842.9999. Tinipid pa no, hindi pa ginawang 843. Final answer. Ayan. So, based on our failures, saan yung pinaka safe natin na service live load? Syempre yung pinakamaliit. Based on our, saan yung 324 galing? Kay net area. Ayan. So, that is 324.202. Okay? So, ganyan lang po kapag bolted steel connections in LRFD. So, proceed tayo sa ating last problem for this subject. LRFD po tayo pero naka-welded. Yan nga. So, same lang sa ginawa natin last time pero naka-fee lang yung ating style. So, let's proceed. Problem number 2. We have 2A36 plates. Yan, silang dalawa. With thickness of 10 mm. And FU is 400 MPa. Are connected to each other using fillet welds. The size of weld is 8 mm using E60 electrodes. Binigay, FU is 414. Again, itong 400 is pang plate na FU. Yung 414 is pang weld na FU. Number 1, determine the value of ultimate load P. Yung PO yung hinahanap, no? Wala na ditong dead load tsaka live load. Diretso na siya. Mas maganda. Mas madali. Based on tensile yielding in gross area. Phi is 0.9. Number 2, determine the value of ultimate load P based on tensile fracture in the net area. So, 0.75 kapag net area. Then, determine the value of X. Ayan siya. So, weld. Use phi is equivalent to 0.75. So, yung shaded part, yan yung weld natin. Binigay lang is 150. X is unknown. So, start po tayo. No? Kapag hindi binigay, you need to memorize. Pero I hope na ibibigay sa inyo. Pag welding is 0.6 FU. Okay, start tayo. So, sa number 1, again, based on gross area. Gross is just thickness times length. 150 times T, no? Yan, gross area. Anong gagawin? PN over AG. Transfer sa kabila. PN equals FYAG. PU yung hinahanap. Ano yung PU? Phi times PN. So, therefore, PU is Phi FYAG. Substitute lang natin, class. AG natin is 150 times 10. So, 1,500. Pwede din diretso na dito, no? Para dire-diretso. So, 0.9 times 248 times 1,500. What is our P? Yan, ganyan lang kadali. Yung kaibahan lang, imbes na ASD, naka-LRFD siya. That is 334.8 kilonewton. Final answer. Number 2, yung hinahanap is net area. Then, as you can see, no, hindi siya naka-angle. Wala po siyang liko-liko. So, therefore, common sense will tell you, same lang sila ng area. Nagkatalo lang sa ating PN. Diba? Pag gross area, FY po yung gagamitin. Pag net area is FU yung gagamitin. Yun lang. So, imbis na 248, yung gagamitin natin is 400. Then, pag net area, magkaiba po yung ating fee. Imbis na 0.9, that is 0.75. So, what is our PU based on net area? Yes, correct. That is 450 kilonewton. Final answer. Next and last situation or yung hinahanap sa problem na to. What is the value of our X based on our, syempre, X yan, based sa ating weld. So, PU natin is 334.8. Bakit? yung pinaka-safe yung pinili natin sa dalawa, diba? I-relate natin kay weld. So, use the smaller value. Then, stress sa ating weld is equivalent to force over area. So, Pn is stress times area. Pu equals phi Pn. So, phi Fv Aw. Input natin. We have phi. Fv ng ating weld is 0.6 Fu. Binigay kanina. Tapos, area ng weld is thickness ng ating weld na yung drawing natin kanina. No, nasa gitna. This is our TE. This is our T. This is our T. Diba? Alam natin yan. 0.707 T. Then, length total is 150. Then, 2x. So, substitute. Yan. Substitute. 334,000. Paki-calculator class. Shift solve natin to. 334,800 equals 0.75 times 0.6 times 414. Again ha, FU ng ating weld yung gagamitin. Imbis na 400, yung 414. Times 0.707. Thickness ng weld is 8 times 150 plus 2 times x. Shift solve. What is our x? Ang bilis naman. How about the others? Ayan. So we have 83.867 millimeters. That is our final answer. So ganyan po, gamitin si welded steel connections using LRFD na code. So that ends our class and our topic for this subject. Study hard sa ating quizzes, exams. Again, thank you for listening. I hope that you have learned something sa topic na to and sa subject na to. And goodbye, everybody.